Hi guys, good afternoon. The bat is escaped in the what's this?
Escape from the bottle. Plastic.
Plastic.
Plastic bottle,
Oh,
yes.
he go here in our screen door. He sleep right now. He's so small.
Yes, we will go to Robinson now and open this gate, this screen door. And maybe she will go outside.
He sleep. He will not go outside. Sleep.
Yes, nighttime only. We go outside. Okay, we will open screen door now.
She sleep. I said to you. He sleep. Oh.
No, sleep, it's okay. Okay, let's go. You need to go to Robinson now.
Yes. Me too.
Why you want clothes?
Of course,